aye. And I met a little girl and stopped and stopped. And someday, and I asked you, friend, what's a fellow to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking the world. Solved her problem with a Galway girl. She asked me up to a flat downtown on a fine someday, and I asked you, friend, what's a fellow to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. So I took her hand and I gave her a twirl. Then I lost my heart to a Galway girl. With a broken heart and a singing home and a fine someday, and I ask you, friend, tell me what would you do?